Welcome to the FP100 Portable Pin Press training from WTC Machinery. In this training session, we'll guide you through the features, setup, operation, and maintenance of the FP100, a 100-ton field press, to ensure maximum efficiency, safety, and effectiveness in your operations. The setup and operation principles covered here also apply to our other pin press models, including the FP150, FP250, MPP150, and MPP250. Whether you're using the FP100 or another press, these guidelines will help ensure smooth and reliable performance. The FP100 portable pin press combines a rugged C-frame design with powerful high-pressure hydraulics, delivering 100 tons of pressing force directly where you need it, right on site. It's designed for field repairs on track pins with diameters ranging from 0.76 inches to 2.56 inches, making it ideal for pins on tracks like the Caterpillar D9, Komatsu PC600, D155, and similar models. Upon receiving your shipment, carefully unpack the components and inspect them for any damage or missing parts. If you spot any missing parts or damage, report it immediately. Safety tip: the press weighs 540 pounds, so always use lifting gear rated for these loads. We recommend the FP100LS 3 lifting sling for safe lifting and positioning. The FP100 ships with the cam lock adapter installed in the rod of the cylinder. Note, this tool has a left-hand thread. To fit in the shipping box, the hydraulic cylinder and cylinder mount are placed in the front pocket. This position is suitable for tracks with pin lengths under 9 inches. For tracks with longer pins, you will need to move the hydraulic cylinder and cylinder mount to the back pocket. To change the cylinder position, remove the 4 mounting bolts, lift the cylinder and mount out of the press frame, and slide them into the back pocket of the frame. Then reinstall and tighten the mounting bolts securely. Once the press is set up, it's time to connect the hydraulic power supply. Attach the 2 hydraulic hoses to the quick disconnect fittings on the cylinder, ensuring each connection is secure. Before using the FP100, be sure to fill the pump with hydraulic oil. The oil should meet ISO 68 viscosity standards to ensure smooth, reliable operation. Shift the extend-retract valve to the center position and jog the pump, continuing to run the motor until the pump is filled with oil. Now the press is ready to use. Remove the track shoes on both sides of the track pin to be removed. Check the clearance around and behind the track pin. Make sure there's enough space for the press to operate and to press the pin out on the back side of the track. Next, refer to the FP100 tooling chart in the manual, provided to select the appropriate disassembly tooling. Install the pin adapter into the pin adapter holder and the forcing pin into the pin adapter, securing everything with the locking bolt. Mount the assembled tools into the cam lock adapter. Then insert the backing bushing into the back side of the frame and tighten the locking bolt. Lower the press, ensuring it is aligned and centered with the forcing pin. When the press is aligned, reinstall the pin catch bag. Then cover the assembly with the safety blanket. Safety tip: always cover the FP100 and track chain with a safety blanket to protect yourself and others from flying debris during the pressing process. Using the jog pendant on the hydraulic power unit, slowly extend the cylinder to press the track pin out. Once the pin is out, remove the safety blanket, loosen the pin locking bolt, and retract the cylinder, leaving the forcing pin in place to support both ends of the track chain. Remove the track pin from the pin catch bag and the tooling from the press. To install a new pin, again refer to the FP100 tooling chart to confirm the correct assembly tooling has been selected. Insert the pin adapter into the pin adapter holder, place the new track pin into the adapter, and secure everything with the locking bolt. Mount the assembled tools into the cam lock adapter. Lower the press, ensuring it is aligned and centered with the forcing pin, then cover the assembly with the safety blanket. Slowly advance the cylinder until the pin adapter makes contact with the track link. As the forcing pin is displaced, it will fall into the pin catch bag. Remove the assembly tools and install one of the flat-faced pin assembly tools included with the FP100 press or recommended PAT tool noted on the tool chart. Center the press and tooling to the track pin again and extend the cylinder for the final push to set the pin protrusion. Once the installation is complete, retract the cylinder and carefully lift the press off the chain. Remove the tooling from the press and the forcing pin from the pin catch bag. To ensure your FP100 continues to perform reliably, regular maintenance is crucial. Clean the FP100 regularly with a degreaser that's safe for hydraulic equipment. Before each use, perform a thorough inspection for any damage or wear and replace immediately. Check the oil level before each use. If the oil appears dirty or discolored, replace it. Drain and refill the oil annually, or more frequently depending on use. On the cylinder near the retract port, there is a relief valve, which is designed to protect the cylinder. If hydraulic fluid vents from the relief valve, immediately shut off the pump, disconnect the hose, inspect the fittings, and reconnect them tightly. Wait 15 minutes for the relief valve to reset before testing the press again. If the issue persists, replace the fittings and/or the relief valve. The FP100 portable pin press is designed with power and safety and ease of use in mind. With intuitive controls and built-in safety features, the FP100 lets you tackle track maintenance with confidence and efficiency. For more information, please visit us at WTCmachinery.com. Thank you for choosing WTC Machinery and the FP100 Portable Pin Press.